Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Thank you so much you guys for your love, for your support. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys' messages, especially from my last video with what I shared. Yeah, I'm really happy guys. I'm really happy, and yeah, thank you for growing the channel. Thank you for engaging, commenting, liking and sharing the video. Yeah, I'm just trying to do everything that I can to share my life so that it can impact somebody else's life out there and just improve it. So yeah, today I just thought I should have a pamper day, at home pamper session, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it's lockdown, I can't go anywhere to get whatever, so I'm just gonna use stuff that I already have in the house. So yeah, I usually do my nails like on my pamper day thing, but my nails are new, are done, just short sweet white nails. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep them like that, and I'm doing the cornrows that I had. I don't feel so good with my hair, so I have to undo this. Okay, it needs to go. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna undo my hair, I'm gonna wash it, I don't know, put it in a cute pony or whatever. We'll see what to do. And yeah, I'm just gonna take a bath, relax, read a book or something. Yeah, basically just have a chilled day. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next clip when I'm done with this hair. Okay guys, now that I'm done, just gonna wash my hair in the bathroom. So yeah, I'm gonna use this Tresemme, this shampoo and this conditioner. So yeah, let's wash my hair guys. So I just like to scrub my scalp and just try and massage it a bit just to relax. Apparently it helps with growth of new hair and just for relaxing basically. This conditioner smells so good. I really love it. I love how my hair smells every time after using it. I absolutely love this one. It's my favorite conditioner ever. And yeah, I'm just trying to apply that. Just go in there with that conditioner and just let it set a bit. So while I wait for a couple of minutes, probably 10, I just decided to shave. I didn't have shaving cream, so I just used the stick. But yeah, does the work anyway. Just before taking a bath, I decided to make this scrub. It's a coffee and sugar and coconut oil scrub that I just got from Google. I saw one YouTuber using it. Her name is the Chic Natural. I'll try and write her name down here. So yeah, I used 2 tablespoons of each because I felt like half a cup was just too much. So yeah, and I didn't have brown sugar, so listen, we don't have a fancy bathroom, fancy bathtub situation, so yeah, a girl's got a bath anyway. So yeah, I just used what I have literally, so you can still have a pamper day at home guys, and no matter what you use. Okay, just do what you gotta do, relax, have some time to yourself. So yeah, I just thought I could get in the bathtub. I relaxed for a few minutes, just trying to think or whatever, just having me time, undisturbed me time. So I got my candles from Mr. Price Home. This scrub is the gel. It's literally the girl, guys. It's quite messy though, so maybe try and use it in a shower. Unless you don't mind the messiness, you can still wash it off anyway, but it leaves your skin so soft. Oh god. I'm done with my hair, I'm done with my body apart. I haven't applied anything yet, so I just wanted to do my face now. I just washed it. I really didn't apply anything, so I'm gonna use this mask, Neutrogena purifying boost, whatever, seaweed. Yeah, instructions at the back. So it's my first time using this. I hope it's gonna do the things that need to be done. Okay. Can you see that? I literally spilled it on my legs, guys. I was trying to show you guys. Anyway, yeah, let me get that. So I guess this is for my forehead and eyes. I don't even know. Do I put it anyhow? I think like this. Okay. Yeah, like it. Yeah. Okay. Hey, whoa. I don't know what this is for. So it's, I guess it's divided, like, just so it makes it like easier for us. Yeah. So fill that out. Then you take that and put it. Ooh, so much. Because there's still so much left. What should I do? Maybe I'll leave it for next week. Lastly, for my body butter, I use this sheer from the Body Shop. I absolutely love this one, guys. It smells good as well. There's really not much to say, but apart from the fact that it's the girl. Okay, I think it's time. It's been around 20-25 minutes, so I'm just gonna remove this mask. Yeah. So then I'm just gonna apply my tea tree oil. I really feel like this tea tree oil is working for me, guys. My dark marks are not as dark as they used to be. I'm sure you guys can see that. So yeah, I'm quite happy with what it's doing so far. It hasn't been long, but so far so good. Yeah, I'm done, guys. I smell good, I look good, I feel good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna say, guys, take some time off, relax, have some you time, pamper day. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.